want to talk to you about herbs. Why do we need herbs when we're healing? So as you may know, when you are not healthy, when you feel something's coming up, it's usually due to acidosis. This means that the body is acidic, because an acid body will always be a dry, stagnant, stiff, and dehydrated body. Okay, so this creates a lot of health issues. So to reverse this, we always want to go on fruits, okay, because the cause of this acidity is the foods you've been eating, the processed foods, the cooked foods, the cooked starches. Animal products are the worst of the worst. They cause the body to become highly acidic. So to reverse this, you want to get the body alkaline. We go on fruits and fruits alone, okay? Yes, fruits, breakfast, lunch, and dinner. You have oranges, grapes, melons, whatever you want. It has to be just fruits. It can be nothing else but fruits. This is going to turn your body alkaline. It can take a few weeks, but you're going to feel the results almost immediately, because you're going to feel better. Your skin's going to improve. Your hair's going to grow better. You will just feel it. It's absolutely amazing. There's no one who goes on a fruit protocol for 7 days and does not feel fantastic. And some people, when they go on fruits, they are so toxic that the fruit brings up all the bad stuff in them. So they might feel some bloating or gas. This is not from the fruits. It's the fact that the fruits is stirring everything up, all the bad stuff. And the truth is, if you don't get rid of the bad stuff now, it's suppressed and becomes very chronic and very dangerous later on. So the fruits are like a test. When you consume them, they will expose how toxic or how clean you are. If you are clean in there, you're not going to feel much effects, okay, of healing crisis. If you are toxic, it's going to be very hard to eat fruits. And it's not the fruits, again, the issue, it's you. Your insides are an issue. Having said that, it's key to use of fruits, because fruits remove lymph, and lymph is what removes all the acids from 100 trillion cells and the acids from the foods we eat. The lymphatic system is what removes these acids, and it goes to the lymph nodes, to the kidneys, where it's excreted, okay? If you're eating bad foods, starches, cooked foods, and animal products, your lymphatic system will get hard. And when it gets hard, the acids will back up and have nowhere to go and begin to burn tissue, glands, and organs. And that's why you get the health issues. So no matter what health issues you have, it boils down to acidosis, okay? Now, if you just stayed on fruits, breakfast, lunch, and dinner, and went on for a long time, you can heal yourself, okay? It's not a problem at all. The problem is, in the world we live in, everything is not perfect. The fruits are not perfect. The environment we live in is not perfect. So we need help. We need help from the herbs. Herbs is what nature gave us, so pure, so strong, that there's a herb for every organ in the body. Okay, there's a herb for kidneys. There are herbs for the lungs. There are herbs for for hair growth, for skin. You name it, there are herbs for it. Okay, and herbs have been used for generations since man had the intellect to know what herbs are. They've been used as medicine. They've been used to help people heal. So they're time tested. They've been proven, and the science behind all of them now. And science, in fact, has not even caught up to what kind of herbs they have and how to use them. But folk medicine and traditional medicine knows the secret of healing with herbs. Okay, so when you want to heal with herbs, you want herbs for the adrenals, kidneys, lymphatic system, endocrine system, stomach, and bowels. Okay, the kidneys are crucial because, as I mentioned, they're the sewer. They eliminate the sewer of the body. All the acids go through to the kidneys and it's expelled. If the kidneys are down, your body can't eliminate the acids. Acids will back up, affect the lymphatic system, and affect your cells and organs. Okay, and glands. This creates a lot of problems. You want to use herbs for the lymph because although the fruits move lymph, there's some herbs that are more aggressive and can pull and move lymph. This means better results for you. And then you want to use herbs for the endocrine system, because the endocrine system contains all the glands. It's the master computer. It controls all the hormones, and it's essential for human existence, okay, for the body to exist well, to be healthy. So you want herbs for that. You also want herbs for the adrenals, because the adrenals control all automatic movement. They also control stuff like breathing, essential parts of movement that you don't even think about is the adrenals. Adrenals also control the kidneys, and if they go down, kidneys go down, everything is affected. Everything is interconnected, okay? And then you want to use herbs for the stomach and bowels. Stomach and bowels are crucial because our GI tract connects from our mouth all the way down to our lower extremities. So every single organ is attached to it. If it's clogged up or obstructed, you cannot get healthy. It's next to impossible. So they need to be cleaned up as well. So we use herbs to clean the stagnant lymph between cells in that region, and also to help us have good bowel movements. Okay, this encourages the whole body to awaken, to get better, and you feel better. Okay, this is how herbs work. I won't go into each and every herb. So, to make use of all these herbs, there are about 38 of them for the stomach and bowels, for the endocrine, the lymphatic system, the kidneys, and the lymphatic system. There are too many to list. Okay, so we put all these herbs, we extract them, the herbs for each organ or system I just mentioned, and put it into a bottle. Okay, one bottle, and here contains everything you need to help the body nurture the cells, tissue. Okay, to help you heal faster. This is not magic. Don't think this is a treatment or it's medicine. It's actually herbal medicine, yes, but it's not a treatment, meaning that it only helps accentuate the healing process. Okay, think of it like using the best gasoline or petrol in your car. Okay, if your car is a high performance car and you use regular gasoline, the car is not going to move properly. So your car, you need to use the right gasoline or the right elements to help the body function properly, and this is where the herbs come in. Okay, now the herbs that I listed below, if you feel you can go out and get the herbs yourself and do it yourself, by all means go ahead. I do not care or don't want you to get this product here because I'm not trying to sell you anything. My point is I want you to be happy, I want you to succeed, and you can take the herbs and do it yourself if you know what you're doing. Good for you. Okay, but if you are out of time, you don't have the patience and to sit there and allow your herbs to mature for 60 to 90 days before you extract them and put them in a bottle, then this is for you. So we actually created something called Fabulous 5. This contains the 5 systems I just mentioned, the herbs for the 5 systems I just mentioned. Okay, so every single herb for those systems I mentioned are in here, all in one bottle. You take this 2 or 3 times a day. It's a tincture, one dropper full, and put it in some juice and drink that together with the fruit protocol. You're going to be doing all you can to get better, feel better, and look better. Okay, it's that powerful, folks. And also when you start using these herbs, you're committed, because obviously you're spending money on it. It's expensive, and you don't want to waste money. And I do not recommend you use this if you're not on a 100% fruit protocol. Okay, because they work best when you are trying to detox, or when you're trying to heal yourself and you're eating the right kind of fruits and your body is in the right mood to heal itself, and you add this is like a super injection to help you get better results. Okay, so if you're interested in this and want to try it, okay, like I said, you don't have to try it. You can heal the fruits by itself. I'm not by no means trying to push you to get this, but if you are serious and you want to commit and you want to put yourself on a fruit protocol for 2 to 4 weeks, this is what you get, because you're committed. Okay, it's very simple, and I take this religiously. I give to all my clients because it's crucial. Okay, it's helpful, it's crucial, and you when you're trying to heal yourself and you're in trouble, you don't want to go halfway. Okay, because health is priceless, and there's no value to it. So if you truly want to heal, you want to go on a 2 to 4 week food diet protocol, I recommend you get this and try it.